So, as I was saying, stay tuned for those uploads, and as usual, like, comment, share, subscribe. Turn on your post notification.
Let us know what you fucking think about these
Let
videos.
us know what you think about these videos. I'm willing. Comment down below. Tell me what you think about the video. So, I'm just drinking some juice. We ate everything. We just have a little bit of salad remaining, but I'm pretty sure that's 2 bites, and I'm gonna go back there when I'm hungry. So, with all that being said, wait, I didn't do this.
Okay.
Leave a sweet comment for me and Babe down in the comment section down below. Share my videos with your friends and family. Tell them what your girls got going on over here. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed as yet. What are you waiting for?
Break open to your
Listen,
house.
I just said a prayer for my subscribers for this coronavirus going on. Who do you know? Which YouTuber you know? Say a prayer for the subscribers. I'll wait.
Well, I ain't seen none yet, so.
Trust me, in her none, I'm the first. And I just said I pray for you guys because I love you guys genuinely. And I want everybody to stay safe. I want everybody to do great things. So, which means I care about you guys. With all that being said, I'm not going to talk much. I'm just going to go edit this video and put it up so you guys can enjoy it. So, me and B both love you guys. My mouth's so peppery. I'm burning you. Love you, Daddy. Bye. Love you guys.